Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Let's begin. Let's take child pose balasana. Knees open about your mat distance, toes touching. And inhale, exhale, forehead rest on the mat. And inhale through the nose. And filling up the air into your lung. Inhale, expand your chest, expand your back. As you exhale, drain your thought out of your head toward earth. Try to feel the weight of your own body and let it go. And inhale, slowly walk your hands and roll up. And keep your spine tall. Okay, so now open up your leg wide and long, right? And try to feel the earth with your sitting bone and sitting yourself down. So you're gonna imagine you're here and I'm here and not over there, you're here, right? Try to feel your weight sinking down onto earth. Okay, from here, inhale, exhale. It is okay. You know how to keep your back straight. So you can round your back and walk your hands forward. And try to feel the weight of your back. Option, you can close your eyes here. Just let it go. Take off your weight of your thoughts from your back, from your shoulder. Get rid of your weight from your shoulders and back. Try to feel your own body weight and sinking, dropping down to the earth. Each exhale, your thoughts getting away from your head, from your shoulders, from your back. And it is okay to keep your knees and not stretched. Your toes are not pointing up. It is okay to keep your back low. And just let it go. Be there, here and now. And option, your forehead can rest on your own arm. Soften your gaze, drishti, or even close your eyes. And if you are feeling good, now bring your chest up and feet together. Okay, now let's lay down on your back. You're gonna lift up your legs to the sky. Okay, and we're gonna just stay there and keep your legs up so that all the blood come toward your heart and to your brain. Okay, we're gonna do a little bit in upside down pose, little like a gentle inversion, so that anything holding back in your head. Again, use exhale to drain all thought out of your head. And it's just you are here now. And try to feel the earth with your back. And bring your thought here and now. Try to feel the texture of your mat and floor through your body. Make sure to steady your breath. Each inhale, filling up air into your lung. Chest open, widening your collarbones. Exhale, all thought getting away from your head. Inhale, filling up air to your back. As you exhale, let it go. Now, bend your knees. Nice and easy. And drop your knee to your right. And arms open. And drishti gaze to your fingertips. And even extend your gaze over your fingertips. And try to feel the floor with your shoulders, with your back, with your legs. Give yourself a nice, easy twist. And it is okay to close your eyes. Or if you prefer, soften your gaze. And inhale. Let's bring your knee back to center. And drop your knee to the opposite side, to the left. And now extend your arms to your right and gaze drishti to the right. Nice and easy twist. Inhale, filling up air into your lung. Lift up your chest. And exhale to release. Try to feel the floor. You are here and now. You don't have to solve all problems right now. Just keep your focus, your mind to your body, tuning into your body here and now. And inhale as you exhale, bring your knee back to center. And stretch your arms and legs. Nice and easy. Let's take final pose of Shavasana. Here, option. You can keep your right hand to your forehead. Left hand onto your heart or your belly. And inhale and exhale. Let it go. Surrender yourself. Again, you don't have to find your answer right now. Just be there and observe your thoughts. And bring your attention to your breathing and your own body. And for more like this, check out this next video. See you soon!